So today we're going to open Kinder Joy Jurassic World. Okay.
Can I open it now?
Yes.
I'll open this one first. Whoa! What is this? You need to build it. Whoa! Look at this part. Oh, here. You open it. Whoa! I didn't know this. The ratchet roll. And the ratchet roll.
Do you know what kind of dinosaur that is?
A Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus?
Stegosaurus. He don't pick her.
Where's the little? Is there like a?
No, I don't know what is here. I know what's in here. Rock and roll to top. Let's see. Oh, they clapped again.
Did you guys get the same one?
Not the top. No. Not the top. Yeah. Eating spot.
Oh, and chocolate.
To the top now. To the top again.
Is it good chocolate?
What the heck is that? Chocolate. Chocolate eggs.
Yummy, yummy. So let's see, what do we have here that came in the egg?
And you know what this is in here? This is I don't know.
Jurassic World.
Oh, I think this is Brandon's. Stegosaurus.
So how do you do this? You put the Stegosaurus inside?
Yeah. Like that.
Like
Just
that?
take it out.
Like this?
Yes. Like that.
Okay, that makes a little Stegosaurus.
Good. And no, Ryan, eat this.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, Ryan, for you.
Was that a good surprise?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we ended up getting a
Here.
Triceratops.
Oh, long hair.
Triceratops.
No, you
And where's yours, Cisco?
mine.
And what's this?
Patasaurus.
Is that what it's called?
I think it's a Patasaurus.
Let me see. This one's called Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus. Cute. So you got a little toy in your egg, and
No, you Brandon have 2 Triceratops.
oh, so we'll have to get some more of these Kinder eggs, huh?
Yeah.
All right. You like these?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All right. All right. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.